So in this slide, I will explain like what water potential gradient is and how it is helpful for the transpiration process. You can see in the picture, we have roots here, we have stem here, and these are the leaves. Leaves are the important structure of the plant that perform photosynthesis. So in the leaves, on the lower surfaces, we have special pores, and these are called as stomata. For example, we have guard cells here, and these are epidermal cells, and the guard cells, in between them there is a pore. This is called as stoma. So here the water vapors will release out, but how it will release out, there are some factors. Like in the soil particles, water potential is more, so water will move from high concentration to the lower concentration. It means water will enter inside the roots. From the roots, they will travel from one cell to another cell, and then they will reach to vessel. And these vessel members form long tube inside the stem region. So they will move with the help of water potential, and then they reach inside the leaves. When they reach in the leaves, transpiration occurs. How transpiration occurs? Because here the water potential is low and inside the leaf it is high. So the water will leave from inside the leaf and they will enter into the air. So it means the water vapors will move outside, and this process is called as transpiration. This is the first diagram, and this is very important. This is the first step. See, these are the root hairs, and root hairs contains water molecules. Water molecules move inside with the help of water potential, and they move from one cell to another cell, and ultimately they reach to the xylem vessel and then move to the next point. So by osmosis, water move inside, and we already discussed like what is osmosis. Is the movement of water molecule from high water potential to the lower water potential across the plasma membrane. So this is the first step in which water enters with the help of osmosis into the root hairs. In this diagram, after passing the root hairs, they have to move into the xylem, and here we have to learn very important step like when they are present in the xylem vessel. For example, this is a xylem vessel, and here if I draw water molecules, so water molecule are present in the form of chains. It means one water molecule is connected to another water molecule with the help of a special bonding, and that is called as hydrogen bonding. With the help of hydrogen molecules, so water molecules are connected with each other with the help of hydrogen bonding. So this force in which one molecule is connected to another water molecule, this is called as cohesion force. You can see this in the picture. This is the first, this is the second molecule, and they are connected with each other. So they form a long chain along this water vessel, this vessel member, okay? In the next diagram, I will explain like what is cohesion and what is adhesion. You can see that this is one water molecule, this is another water molecule, and if I say this is the cell wall, and we already discussed like it contains cellulose, and it is also made up of another very thick structure that is called as lignin. It means cellulose and lignin make it more stronger and thicker. I'm so sorry for this writing, but you can understand like cellulose and lignin, they are combined to form the more thickness, they provide more thickness to cell wall. So inside it we have water molecule and they form a chain, and this chain is made with the help of hydrogen bond. So this force is called as cohesion. But there is one more important thing, these water molecules are also connected with the cell wall. It means if water molecule is present here, so it has some attraction between this. So if I want to pull this molecule that is present on the top, it means if I want to pull this, it will attract this molecule, and it is also connected with the cell wall. So there are some forces. So the first force is the cohesion between these two molecules, and the second force is adhesion that exists between the water molecule and cell wall. These two forces are very important because they will control the movement of molecule from the lower portion to the upper portion. In this diagram you can see clearly this is a long chain of water molecule, this one, and this is also has some attraction with the walls. It means wall is also trying to attract them, but these molecules are connected with each other. When they passes from the stem, they reaches to the leaf, and we already know that this is the upper epidermis of the leaf and this is the lower epidermis of the leaf. And we also know that the epidermis cells have some extensions. They form a specific structure. This is called as guard cells, and the important function of guard cells is that it controls the movement of gases, and here it also performs a very important function. So when water reaches to the xylem, for example, this is the internal xylem and this is the phloem. Okay, so when water reaches to here, they need to evaporate. It means if here water potential is more and inside water potential is low, so water vapors will leave this and come out, and they will come out in the form of small vapors. It means from here they start moving up, they reaches to xylem, they reaches to the leaf, and here they will move outside. So this process is called as transpiration. Transpiration is very important. For example, here transpiration is occurring, okay, and this part is present on the root. It means water is coming here, it is going up, this is water uptake, okay, and then it reaches to the leaf and here it comes out. So transpiration occurs here and here absorption occurs. Okay, so this all process is water uptake. Why transpiration is important? Because with the help of transpiration, root absorb more water molecule inside it. So that's why it is very much important. Okay, and we already know that inside the leaf we have specific type of cells that perform photosynthesis, and these are called as mesophyll cells. Okay, so this is stoma, this is the whole leaf, that is the vessel in which water molecule is coming, and they will reach to the mesophyll cell. Mesophyll cell will use them and the extra water will be removed with the help of this stoma.